Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or network. Now, here with us here today, we have a newer device from Samsung called the Galaxy J3 Orbit. I'll go ahead and jump into the settings here and we'll show you exactly what we're working with. So we can see here indeed the model name and the model number, which will show up as the S357BL. Now this specific device is sold under a couple of prepaid brands here in the US. We've seen it sold for Family Mobile and also for Simple Mobile, which are both brands that run under the TracFone service. These devices are a little unique in that if you insert a SIM that is not originally from Family Mobile or Simple Mobile at the beginning, the phone does not ask you for an unlock code like an at&t or a Cricket phone would, and it also does not prompt you to use the device unlock app like a T-Mobile or a Metro phone would. You just have a notification up there in the status bar that would say invalid SIM card, and at first glance, there doesn't appear to be any other way to get it unlocked. Now, the carrier themselves offers an unlock service for it somehow. I'm not sure how they do it, but it's probably via the network somehow. But I do know that part of the requirement is that the device be active with them for quite a long time before they'll do it. It might be 6 months, but it also might be as much as a year. I'm not recalling off the top of my head. But we've had a lot of customers contact us about these devices ever since they were released, asking us if we could develop a SIM unlock method for it that would not require them to have it active with the company for that long, and that is actually what we've done now. So we're making this video to let our customers know that we do offer a SIM unlock service for the device that's just accomplished via our computer programs and tools. This is one that we have already done the unlock for, and it is fully registered on our Cricket SIM card here from at&t. So we've got our full LTE signal bars up there, and it does show that it's in service and connected here. Now, interestingly enough, with these new devices, one of the strange things that we've run into is that the network label there is always blank. For some reason, even if you have a SIM inserted from the original carrier, nothing shows there as far as the network name. And if you take a look up in the top left corner on the lock screen, where the carrier name also usually shows, that's also blank. There's nothing there. So it's a little tricky to kind of tell sometimes, but one good thing is that most wireless carriers will send you a whole bunch of text messages once they detect that you are using a new device. And so we have our text messages there from Cricket saying welcome to the service and thanks for setting up a new phone and all of that. So that is basically our proof there that it is active and fully working on a different carrier. And of course, if we tried to make a phone call or access a web page, everything would work just as normal as if you're using the original carrier. With these devices, when they are unlocked, they can be used on what are called GSM networks. Here in the US, those would be either T-Mobile or at&t. And of course, Cricket runs on at&t service, which is our SIM that we use here for testing in pretty much every situation. So if you have a Galaxy J3 Orbit with that specific model number and you would like to get it unlocked for use on a GSM carrier, whether here in the US or internationally, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also add a slide at the end of the video here that has all the information there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that interests you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.